Assalamu alaikum. I am Kiran Parveen, your PSC teacher. Today our topic is two nation theory from first chapter. It is one of the most important topic because as we are living in Pakistan independently just because of two nation theory. This is the base of our ideology. That's why we got a separate country for Muslims. Now meaning of two nation theory. The two nation theory means the culture, political, religious and the many of other differences between Muslims and Hindus of the subcontinent. Basically, two nation theory talks about that the people who were living in the subcontinent, Muslims or Hindus, they were totally different peoples from every aspect. If we talk about our culture, our religion, our customs, each and everything was totally different. That's why we are totally different nations. Second point is it means that subcontinent consists of two different nations having their own philosophy of life. Basically, we have our own philosophy of life. Islam is totally different than Hinduism. Islam is a religion which is sent by Allah and Hinduism is a religion which created by human beings. This is a big difference. Islam talks about equality and Hinduism talks about caste system. This is a major difference between Islam and Hinduism. Basically bete, second heading is basis of creation of Pakistan. As I've told you, two nation theory is the base of Pakistan. This is our ideology. यही वो चीज़ है जिसके ऊपर पाकिस्तान की इमारत रखी गई है. That is two nation theory. The two nation theory was the basis of struggle for the creation of Pakistan as an independent state. Muslim of the subcontinent, they struggle a lot and their main theme, their main concept, their main ideology was two nation theory. इस बेस के ऊपर जो है वो स्ट्रगल की गई है दैट वी आर टोटली डिफरेंट नेशन. वी कुड नॉट लिव विद हिंदूज क्योंकि किसी भी मौके पर हिंदूज जो हैं वो मुसलमानों को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे थे. मुस्लिम जो हैं दे वर लिविंग इन वेरी बैड वेज. उनका जो लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड है इट वाज क्वाइट लो दैन हिंदूज. हर तरीके से हिंदूज जो हैं मुसलमानों को तंग कर रहे थे. It raised the direction of Muslims on the basis of which Pakistan was achieved. Basically, when we got this theory, two nation theory, so it provides us the base of Pakistan. जब तक कि हमें टू नेशन थ्योरी का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं मिला था, हमने जो है वो पाकिस्तान को अचीव करने का जो टारगेट है, जो हमें बेस है वो हासिल नहीं हुई थी. बट व्हेन वी न्यू द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ टू नेशन थ्योरी, so it was quite clear that we could not get a separate country until or unless we believed on two nation theory. Now what are the factors that divided the subcontinent into two nations? There are many factors. The most important one is, first one is religious differences. This is the most important one, that we are totally different according to our religion. Islam and Hinduism totally different religion. In Islam we have only one Allah, but in Hinduism there are so many god or goddesses. Then second one is culture differences. Our culture, our customs, our festivals, everything is totally different. Then economical differences. Islam provides us complete economical issues according to our religion. We have clear concept of zakat, ushar, then interest. For everything Islam gives us a complete guideline. Then educational differences. Religious differences. Muslim believe on oneness of Allah. They believe that Allah is the creator of this universe. That there is only one Allah who created this universe. हमारे ये strong belief है कि उसके साथ कोई दूसरा मौजूद नहीं है, अल्लाह एक है. ठीक है, दिस इज आर द मेन कंसेप्ट ऑफ तौहीद कि अल्लाह इज वन. मुस्लिम बिलीव दैट हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम इज द लास्ट मैसेंजर ऑफ अल्लाह. वी बिलीव, बट हिंदूज दे टोटली Hindus totally do not believe on last prophet, but Muslim believes कि हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम is the last messenger. After last prophet, now there would be no messenger from Allah. हमारे आखिरी नबी हैं और यही हमारा ख़त्म नबूवत का नज़रिया है. इन इस्लामिक आपको जो इस्लाम की जो आइडियोलॉजी है तो उसमें क्लियर है मुसलमान उस वक्त मुसलमान होता है व्हेन ही बिलीव्स ऑन अल्लाह एंड आल्सो बिलीव दैट कि लास्ट प्रॉफिट इज द पीस बी अपॉन हिम. देन मुस्लिम फैमिलीज बिलीव ऑन द होली बुक कुरान. इट इज़ अ रिलीजियस बुक, दिस इज सेंट बाय अल्लाह. तो हम बिलीव करते हैं, बट हिंदूज दे डू नॉट बिलीव ऑन होली बुक कुरान. On the other hand, Hindus believes in many gods. There are so many gods or goddesses in Hinduism, and they believe that the prophets are people who have characteristics of God. यानी कि वो आप शिर्क की तरफ चले जाते हैं कि जो प्रॉफिट है वो कहीं ना कहीं जाकर के खुदा से की जो है उसके अंदर खुसूसियात पाई जाती हैं. तो इस्लाम में इसका कोई जो है वो तस्करा मौजूद नहीं है. Now economical and cultural differences. There is a proper check and balance of economy in Islam. Zakat is compulsory for Muslim, but no concept of zakat in Hindu's religion. Muslim followed the Islamic culture. We have our own culture, our own customs, our own Eid, Bakra Eid, Ramzan, and different Islamic festivals. And their festivals and traditions are different from Hindus. In Islam, every human beings are equal, but there exists a caste system in Hinduism. That is the main difference. In Islam, we all are equal. As our last prophet said in last sermon, कि you all are equal. किसी गोरे को किसी काले पर, किसी अरबी को किसी अजमी पर, किसी अमीर को किसी गरीब पर कोई फौकियत हासिल नहीं है. वी ऑल आर इक्वल पीपल. बट इन हिंदुइज्म अ स्ट्रॉन्ग कास्ट सिस्टम एग्जिस्ट एंड देयर सुपीरियर क्लास इज ब्राह्मण्स. नाउ सर सैयद अहमद खान, व्हाट ही सेड. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट टू नेशन थ्योरी, we would always discuss Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. He was the first person who talk about two nation theory. And keep one thing in your mind, in starting Sir Syed Ahmad Khan also favored one nation theory. But after 1867 Urdu Hindi controversy, he realized that Muslim and Hindus are totally different nations. When we could not solve the issues of our language, so how we can solve other problems, other issues in long term? Then he convinced on two nation theory. He says, I am convinced now that Hindus and Muslims could never become one nation, as their religion and the way of life was quite different from each other. Our religion, our way of life, our way of prayers, everything was totally different. So Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was the most important person. He is called the reformer of the subcontinent. He was a man who gave Muslim the understanding the importance of two nation theory, and he also mentioned the importance of education and every part of life. His role is quite bright. Now Quaid-e-Azam, what he said, Quaid-e-Azam said, Muslims are not a minority. We are not a minority. They are one nation by every definition of the world nation. कि आप दुनिया की किसी भी कौम की जो है वो उसकी डेफिनेशन उठा लें, हम उसके ऊपर पूरा उतरते हैं. सो वी आर बेसिकली अ कंप्लीट नेशन. बाय ऑल कैनन्स ऑफ इंटरनेशनल लॉ वी आर अ नेशन. कि हम एक कौम हैं और हमें कौमियत की हैसियत से तस्लीम किया जाए. सो Quaid-e-Azam totally realized in the starting of his career that Muslims are totally different from Hindus. They are having their own culture, own traditions, own customs, and totally different way of life. Muslims able to understand the above mentioned differences between them and demanded a separate homeland on the ground where they freely practices their religion. Basically main purpose ये था कि we Muslims, they wanted to give a land, a separate country to their new generation where they could live freely with their religion. कोई उनको रोकने टोकने वाला, तंग करने वाला ना हो. कोई उनको जो है वो उनके मजहब को उनके लिए जो है मुश्किल बनाने वाला ना हो. As Hindus were doing the same things. And that's why even we live together more than 800 years, but Hindus and Muslims we could not become one nation. इतना long time गुजारने के बावजूद भी we are totally different from each other. Now they demanded a piece of land where their property and life would be safe and secure. कोई ख़तरा ना हो, जहाँ पर कोई जो है वो प्रॉब्लम ना हो, कोई हमें जो है वो हमारे मज़हब पे जो है वो हमें उसको मुश्किल बनाने वाला ना हो, और हम इजी वे में सेफ एंड सिक्योर रहते हुए अपने मुल्क में अपनी ज़िंदगी को आगे बढ़ा सकें. इट वाज द मेन पर्पस टू गेट अ सेपरेट कंट्री. दैट्स वाई वी गॉट अ सेपरेट कंट्री एंड आवर बेस इज टू नेशन थ्योरी. होपफुली you have understood the topic, but if still there is any query, any questions in your mind, so you can ask question. ठीक है बेटे. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद. अल्लाह हाफिज़.